Hello class, my name is Mike Nolan and this is my Multimedia Introduction to Political Economy, MPA 585. So this is my family. We recently moved from the city of La Quinta to Rancho Santa Margarita. Uh, I had lived out in the Coachella Valley, La Quinta area for about 30 years of my life, and we recently decided to move to Rancho Santa Margarita. And in the picture there is my family with my son Jude in the center. He's about a year and a half old now. So when I'm not in school or work, I enjoy spending time with my family. At the top left is one of our favorite family activities is to go to Staples Center and watch the LA Kings play. Um, and then for those of you who have kids, I'm sure you understand most of your activities once they arrive are doing everything that they want to do. And so that's what our activities consist of, is spending family time with our son. And this is my son there in the bottom right. He decided to be Popeye for this year's Halloween. And when I'm not spending time with my family, I'm at work or school. So I was a police officer for the city of Banning for about 12 years. And with the move to Orange County, I took a job opportunity with the Santa Ana Police Department that you can see there in the top left. The bottom left picture is a picture of my son and my police cruiser about a week before I left the agency and went to Santa Ana. And in the bottom right is the members of the team I was last on with the Banning Police Department. And so when I'm not spending my hours at work or with my family, that's when I'm spending time with schoolwork. I graduated from California Baptist University in 2015 with a bachelor's degree, and sometime after I decided to come back for my master's degree, hence why I'm here now. Alright everyone, well thanks for watching my introductory video to get to know a little bit about myself. I look forward to watching your videos and getting to learn a little bit more about you. And I wish everyone the best of luck in this course.